Look at the screen, all of you. So I sent an email to each and every student. I sent an email to each and every student. So for every day, whatever the student information file, whatever the link, just be join. Okay, don't try to copy paste somewhere else. Okay, every day before joining class, so open the drive where you're accessing for where you're watching recordings. Then open student information file. Whatever the link, please be try to join. That's it. Okay, don't try to copy paste somewhere else. Okay, fine. Great. Fine. So what was the last class? What we are going to be discussing for today? Today, we're going to be start networking mode. And before starting, Srinivas, is it first class? Srinivas, for you, it is the first class, am I right? Srinivas, please
Yes,
respond.
yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, please. So please follow my previous demo classes. So please
Okay,
then continue here. Okay. So please, if you want the drive access, call the admin. They will give an access. Okay. Fine,
okay,
Srinivas.
done.
Fine. Today is the first regular class. Okay. So before starting the session, guys, please, today's only theoretical class, no practical session, but very important. Please be focused. So this is DevOps with multi-flow. Okay. So DevOps with multi-cloud. So in this, so we are gonna be discussing multiple models. Multiple models. The first model we are gonna be discussing about compute model. Compute model. Then storage model. Then network model. Compute model. Storage model. Network model. And then, so we're gonna be discussing about Ansible, Ansible, Docker, and Kubernetes model, and KS. K8S we done. Then after successfully Docker and Kubernetes, then CI/CD model. In CI/CD, Git, Maven, Jenkins, JFrog. These are all the models. This is the flow of our classes. But in this flow, so we're gonna be starting networking model. This networking model. So we're gonna be discussing about AWS in AWS in Azure also. That too, we're gonna be learning in networking model. This networking model. GUI we're gonna be learning. CLI we're gonna be learning. CF we're gonna be learning. And TF we're gonna be learning. Terraform also we're gonna be learning. 4 ways we are gonna be learning this model. But we are gonna be spending it is around 4 weeks of time. Why we are spending 4 weeks of time? Because of we're learning GUI, CLI, CF, and Terraform. So GUI means what? Graphically, commandly, CloudFormation, and Terraform. It will take around 4 weeks of time. But so can we able to start directly? No, we can't be start directly. We can't be start directly, guys. Please. So first we should understand the basics and fundamentals. Basics and fundamentals, guys. Please. So which are all the fundamentals and basics we are going to be learning? First, we should understand what is network. What is network? What is static network? What is dynamic network? Dynamic network, guys. Please. What is an IP address? What is subnet mask? What is network ID? What is host ID? What is classful network? Classless network? Classful network? Classless network? Classful network, classless network. So what is router versus modem? What is private IP? What is private IP? And public IP? What is private IP and public IP? And what is NAT? And what is sub? What is subnetting is, please. So these are all the concepts and fundamentals first you should understand. Then only we're gonna be start network. Clear? So these basics and fundamentals we should understand. Then only we can able to what we are gonna be learning fundamentals and basics. The same thing which we are gonna be implementing on the cloud, either AWS cloud or Azure cloud. That is in exactly our agenda. Okay, fine. So before starts, let me come to know. So these are all the things which you have already discussed, maybe in graduation in your post graduation, but just to be let it be brush up. So everybody is know about this. Some students may not be know. That's what I'm brushing. These are all the concept, but please listen. Okay, these are all the very fundamentals. Each and every student know about it. But anyway, let us brush up this before starts. Okay, tell me what is the network? Anybody? What is an exactly network? A network is nothing but what? If we can able to establish communication, if we can able to establish communication between two devices is nothing but what exactly network by you. If we can able to establish communication more than two devices is nothing but what exactly network. Am I right? Please repeat what is the network? What is the network?
Communication between two devices, if we
Yeah.
can establish.
Yeah, if you can able to establish communication between more than two devices is nothing but what exactly network. But what exactly, when exactly, who exactly, you know what first network? The first network is introduced by user. The first network is introduced by user. That too, it is a static network. Static network. It was the first network was static network. Sir, what is an exactly static network? It is a fixed routing. Static means what is a fixed routing? It was there. These machines are different geographical location that are in the area. So they are machines are located at these are all the places. So please let it be. These machines are located in different geographical locations. Okay, let's say this is a mission one, mission three, mission four. This is mission four, mission six. It is seven, it is eight, it is nine, 10, 11, sure, clear. So these missions are located these many places. So in this situation, I want to establish communication 1 to 5. That means first we need to communicate 1 to 3, 3 to 5, 1 to 3, 3 to 5. So it is a fixed routing, fixed network, fixed routing. Means it is always communicate 1 to 3, 3 to 5. It was the first network, it was designed like that only. But in this case, if the third mission is gone, if the third mission is gone, if the third mission is gone, what will happen? If the third mission is gone, automatically we can't able to reach destination until restoring back, until restoring back, until restoring this third mission. We can't able to reach our destination. But then they realized they introduced what exactly dynamic network. If it is a fixed network, if anything wrong between any machine, any switch, any router, we can't able to reach a destination until recovery. That's the reason they introduced what exactly dynamic network. Dynamic network works like a Google map. How your Google map works same way. If it is anything wrong in between, then it will always next to nearest path. What are the next to nearest path is 1 to 4, 4 to 5, 6 to 5. In case in case the fourth mission also gone. If the fourth mission also gone, that means what are the next nearest path? 1 to 7, 7 to 8, 8 to 9, 9 to 5. In the case of eighth mission also gone. Then what are the next nearest path? 7 to 8, 8 to 9, 10 to 11, 11 to 12, 12 to 9, 9 to 5. Okay, it is always find next nearest path. Okay, let us experience this. For example, let's say I want to
Sir,
verify.
sir, one question here. Like, can you go to the diagram again?
Can you louder, please?
Yeah. Can you go to the diagram?
Okay,
Yeah.
please.
So yeah. So first one is, so initially, so as per this dynamic network is, if first it will establish the connection. If first it will choose the shorter path, right? If any connection is gone in between, then it will choose the next shorter path, right? Like that only,
Yes,
right?
yes,
Okay.
yes,
So in that case, sir, if anyway, suppose let's take an example of 1 to 5. It is going via 3. Okay. And so 3 is gone means it will go via 4, 6, and 5. So in that case, latency will be more, right?
yes. It's the shortest form. That's it. The example, forget about whatever we're discussing. So, source to destination, which is the shortest destination, that will be chosen automatically by 9 minutes.
Okay,
Okay.
so based on like so based on the path it chooses, so the latency will be more, right, for that.
Yeah, based
Oh,
on the nearest path, but
mm,
based on the nearest path, whatever way. Okay, that is dynamic. Fine.
okay.
So let us understand the same. For example, let's say. So let us say, for example, so I want to verify this same by using trace RT. So I want to verify from a laptop to Google how many switches, how many routers, how many hops means how many stages we can verify. It is shortest form. As of right now, it is 11. If it is verified in the afternoon or 2 o'clock, it might be 12, it might be 14, it might be sometimes 16 hours. It depends. Okay. It is always depending on the traffic, depending on the load, depending on the network traffic. So the hops will be changed, stops will be changed, routers will be changed. This hop means router or a switch or a server, whatever. Got it. So I hope the people are understands very clearly what is the network. Okay. Fine. But tell me finally, we're landing into that. What is IP address? Tell me, what is an IP address, anybody? So what do you think about IP address? What is an IP address?
Unique address for a machine.
Yes, yes. Unique machine IP address. Another we calling as IP means Internet Protocol also. Everybody knows IP means what? Internet protocol. Yeah, we call as what? IP address. What is an IP address? So if you go for even our laptop also in IP address. So in a network, each and every device, each and every machine has a unique number. Unique number that we are calling as what? IP address. That we are calling as what? IP address. Another example, let's say you have a phone number. In the entire world, your phone number is unique. From anywhere in the world, I can communicate with you because of your phone number is unique. By helping of unique number, I can communicate from anywhere in the world. The same way. So, by using this IP address, we can able to establish communication within a same network on a devices. For example, let's say I have a laptop. In my laptop, let it be verified which is IP address of my laptop. See, is it our IP address or not? Tell me. 192.168.1.4 is my IP address. Same way you can verify in your laptop also same type of IP. But this IP is unique. By helping of this IP, I can able to communicate to my laptop within the same network. Am I right? So this is what exactly IP address. But let us deep diving into the what is an IP address with help of this information. Please be copy this information. Listen very carefully from this point. So please be focused from here. Fine. Fine. So first let us understand what is a default gate. Okay. So my laptop has an IP address. What is the IP address of my laptop? 192.168.1.4 is my IP address. So what about the default gateway? A default gateway is a router IP. When you are get a broadband connection, broadband connection, okay, so you will get a modem or router in your home or not. That modem or a router got an IP address. The default gateway is nothing but what exactly your router IP. Okay, in your home, if you verify, somewhere else we have a box, some white color, black color box. That box IP is what 192.168.1.1. But our laptop IP is what exactly 192.168.1.4 is our laptop IP. Got it. Clear up to this point? Okay, great. But each and every IP is a 4 decimal, octa-decimal. Each and every IP has 4 decimals. Means 4 portions. This is the first one, second one, third one, and fourth one. First, second, third, fourth. First, second, third, and fourth. Totally how many decimals, guys, please? 4 decimals. And each and every decimal is an octa. So tell me what is the number of octa? Anybody? What is the number, please? What is the octa number? Is 8, am I right? Each and every decimal is a octadecimal. So that means first decimal is octa, means what, 8 or not? Second decimal octa or not? 8 or not? Third decimal octa means what? 8 means what? Fourth decimal 8. So totally how much, guys, please? 32 bits. 32 bits. So each and every IP has a octadecimal 32 bits. Each and every IP address has a octadecimal 32 bits. Okay, so let me explain this one more time. Each and every IP has 4 decimals. Decimal 1, decimal 2, decimal 3, decimal 4. 4 decimals. Each and every decimal is octa number. Means what? 8. 4 8s. 4 into 8, 32 bits. Total network bits means what? 32 bits, please. 32 bits, please. So tell me right now, what is an IP address, anybody? What is an IP address? By helping of this information, anybody help me, what is an IP address? What is an IP address? A 32 bit, a 32 bit, octa decimal unique identification number for a device in a network we calling as an IP address. Sir, what is an IP address? Anybody help me? A 32 bit, octadecimal unique identification number for a device in a network we calling as an IP address. Clear? What is an IP address up to this point? Yeah, we come to know what is the default gateway, we come to know what is an IP address, we come to know. Sir, what is the subnet mask? What is the subnet mask? By helping of subnet mask, we can able to get, by seeing subnet mask itself, we can able to get a more details. More details, case please. By seeing subnet itself, we can able to come to know more details, guys, please. Okay. So in this also we have a 4 decimals. Decimal 1, decimal 2, decimal 3, decimal 4. In this each and every decimal, the min number is the min number is equal to 0. This is fixed. Less than 0, we can't able to fix. We can't able to keep -1, -2, -10. No, it is not possible. The max number is equal to 255. So more than 255, we can't able to keep like 256, 257, 258. No, we can't. We can't. It is 0 to 255 means 0 to 255 is equal to total 256 IPs.
Sorry, sir. Could you please repeat again? 0 to 255. What did you say?
So each and every decimal, how many decimals, please? 4, am I right? 4.
Yes.
Each decimal starts with what? 0.
0.
Ends with what? 255. If it is
Okay.
calculate 0 to 250, how many
Oh,
IPs?
250. Okay.
0 to 255, 256 or not, tell me. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yeah. But here is the point, catch up the point is, by seeing the subnet mask, we can able to come to know total network occupied bits, network ID, host ID also. First, let us calculate total network occupied bits. Total network occupied bits is equal to, if it is 255, it's occupying my network. So can able to keep more than 255 as per this understanding? Max is 255. How we can able to keep more than 256? 256, 257, 250, 200, 300? Nothing. We can't. It is a fixed. It is a fixed. Second decimal can able to do anything. It is already max, reach max. Am I right? So third decimal, it is also reach max now. It is also reach max number. It is also reached max number. But the remaining, the fourth decimal is empty. So if it is 0, then can able to replace with 1 or not tell me, 2 or not tell me, 20 or not tell me, 200 or not tell me, 250 or not tell me, 251, 252, 253, 254, 255. So reach max. That means in this fourth decimal, we can keep 0 to 255. Understand? In 0 to 255, we have a fourth number or not, tell me. The fourth number is allocating into my laptop. Fifth is for your laptop. Seventh another laptop. Eighth, ninth, 10th, 20, 200, 250, 251. Maximum. So 0 to 255 we can able to get in my network. So in my network, what I'm using this broadband connection to connect this. Okay, in this, by using this modem, this router, I can use my laptop, another laptop, 2 mobiles or 3 mobiles or TV, altogether maximum this number. Clear? Understand this? Okay. By seeing the subnet mask, we can able to come. If it is 255, that means the network occupied bits is 8. 255 means what? 8. 250 means what? 8. 0 means what? 0. So tell me totally how much guys please? 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 8, 24 bits. Total network occupied bits how many guys please? 20. So by seeing this, we can able to come to know network ID. Host ID also. So by seeing this, so if it is 255, 192 occupied, 255 occupied. 250 occupied. This means, so where exactly 250 to 250, 255, that means equivalently this I in this IP address 192.168.1 is also locked, fixed. This is in exactly network ID. Okay, before move, what is an IP address? What is an IP address? What is an IP address? As we discussed, what is an IP address? So IP address is nothing but a unique number for a device. Am I right? In the network, for each and every device get a unique number or not? Yes or no? We thought, yes, as per discussion, what is an IP address? Correct. But in this point, please be understand, IP address is unique, but not entire IP. Okay. So 192.168 is same for all the laptop. What is an exactly unique? Host ID is unique. Network ID is not unique. Only the host ID is a 4 is a unique. But what 192.168.1.192.168.1 is a fixed for all the laptops. If you go for in our network, if you go for any laptop, any device, okay, you can find the same. 192.168.1 is same for all the devices in my network, either laptop or mobile or anything, which are all the devices connecting into this network. The network ID is same. 192.168.1 is same. What are the difference, guys? Please. Fourth is my laptop, fifth is another laptop, sixth is another maybe TV, whatever maybe. Got it? So unique is only host ID, but so 192.168.1 is same for all the devices. In the same network, in a same network, only one ID. In each and every network, only one network ID. It will be same for all the devices. For each and every device, separate host ID will be allocated. The combination of network ID, host ID, we calling as an IP address. Clear? No confusion. But up to this point, it's clear, right? But how many IPs we can able to use? How many IPs we can use in this network? How many IPs we can? How many IPs we can able to use it? Okay, it is a formula. So total network bits minus network occupied bits minus 2. Please be substitute the value. So what are the total network occupied bits? 32 minus 24 minus 2. Anybody? So anybody help me? So 32 minus 24, how much, guys, please? To power 8 minus 2, 254. Clear? Understand very clearly? Any questions, please, up to this point? Any questions? Any questions, please? No questions, am I right? But up to this point, what we have discussed, it is a classful network. Up to this point, what we have discussed, it is a classful network. In classful network, it is a fixed network. We can't change network. We can't change network. It use octa decimal format only. We can use either 0 or 8, but not both. It has different classes, class C and class A. We have a different class. It has classes. It has class C, class A, class B. Understood?
So what is that
So
0 or 8 and class ABC?
we have understood,
Okay, this the last one.
either we can keep 0 or 8, but not we can't keep 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, nothing. We can't make it anything. Either we can make it 0 or 8, but not both. Okay? But what we have discussed up to this point is a class C. It is a class C only. The class C is end user. You and me, we are all fall under class C. If you got a broadband connection in your home, you will be get this net. Even in my home also. Even my home also. What I'm connecting this network, it is a fall under class C. Who are all end users? Who are all end users like you and me, any office or internet cafe, like your home network. Each and these are all the people fall under class C. But we have a class B also. Class B. The class B is fall under ISP, Internet Service Provider, like Act Fiber, Geo Fiber, Airtel Fiber. Am I right? These are all the people are providing internet cable to your homes or not. So if you see any broadband connection, they have internet cable to your home or not. So they are all people fall under class B. So who are all providing internet services means ISP, Internet Service Providers. They're all people fall under class B. But for them, the subnet mask is different. So if you go and see, the subnet mask, it does look like 250.250.0.0. If it is change subnet mask, if it is subnet mask this, first it's gonna be changed. What exactly, please? What's gonna be changed? Network occupied bits will be changed. Network occupied bits will be changed. And then network ID will be changed. No, host ID will be changed. And how many IPs which we are gonna be using, that is also gonna be changed. As per this formula, please be calculate. Anybody? 32 minus 16, how much?
16.
16 ohm, right? Great. 2 power 16. How much? It is around 65,534 minus 2. These many IPs are not there. That means these many internet connection they can able to provide in your home, in your zone. So how many internet connection they can able to provide? Maximum 65,534 internet connections. Very, very good question, Monal. Okay. So why two here? Please, for example, let's say, so one IP is gone, Monal. One IP is gone to the default gateway. Another IP when you get internet cable or not. The broadband, the broadcast IP will be gone. 1 and 255 we can't able to use. Between you can. One IP, one is taken by router, 255 is taken by broadcast. These two IPs we can't use. Remaining, yes, we can. And that's what minus 2. Clear. But if you want to calculate the same, make it is 16. How many IPs we are getting in place? If it is, so if it is 16, 65,000, 65,534 or not. If it is make it 24, 255. Yeah, great. So what about class A? What about class? Broadcast people. Broadband people. Like TCS. TCS means Tata Consultancy, no. Tata Communication, another company we have. Tata Company, Tata Communication. So if we go for this, what are the subnet mask? One more zero. 255.0.0.0. That means one more zero will be added. If it is this, if it is this, how many IPs which we can able to guess, please? 32 minus 8, how much? 24, am I right? Two power I. Sorry. 2 power 24 minus 2. These meanings. Guess, please. Totally how many networks? B, C, D, B, C, A. Sorry, C, B, A. Class C, Class B, Class C. Sir, so in your home, your responsibility in your home, you are the responsible person to handle your network. If you internet box, network box, router box, or internet cable, power supply to the router, that is your responsibility. Okay, no need to pay anything anybody, right? For maintaining power supply, for maintaining a network in your home, not required to pay anyone. That is your, that you maintain your home in your thing. But the class B is maintaining a network in your zone. If an internet cable is broken, okay, they are responsible to replace. Outside road, maybe any heavy lorry, heavy load is gone. So in the top of the internet cables, any broken or a tear, definitely ISP people is responsible to replace. They are make sure whether a network is an active or not. in your zone, Hyderabad and Bangalore. But so class A people is responsible to make sure about global network, country to country. They are responsible to maintain. For example, let's say, let's say you want to send a WhatsApp message to a friend who is sitting in US. So how exactly you can able to send? Okay, send a message, definitely reach to your US friend or no. That means from your home to yours, where is sitting him, somewhere else connectivity is there. That's what we can able to send, or else we can't. In your home, you are maintaining. In your zone, class B people, globally class C people are maintaining network. That's what we are established communication, or else we can't. Okay, why we are paying internet bill? Because of you are using others people network. Class B, class A, that's what we're paying internet bill. We're not using our network and we are using other network services. That's what we're paying internet bill. Got it. Understood. If you are sending a message or email who is sitting in US or other country, if it is sending an email, anything, that means somewhere else connectivity is there. Or else we can't. For example, let's say, let me give an example. You want to go to your hometown by car. Maybe you are in Hyderabad, maybe Bangalore. Okay, from Hyderabad to Bangalore, you want to travel. You have a bench car, BMW. You have a car, but you don't have any road. How can I? Even bench car, even BMW, if you don't have a road, there is no use. The same thing here also. So somewhere else you have a network to the from source to destination, either from India to China, whatever, maybe India to US, whatever, maybe somewhere else. Personally, we can't able to do this. If you want to wiring from India to US as an individual wiring, physical wiring, that means until unless you are a billionaire and trillionaire, then only you can, or else you can't be. That's what 1,000 rupees per month is very easy, very cheaper or not. We are using other networks. Am I right? I hope you understood this concept. But up to this point, what we have discussed is please classful network. But up to this point, ISP model, ISP for your zone level, in your zone only, in your area in Hyderabad, Bangalore. But country to country, for example, you have a broadband provider like XYZ people like Act Fiber. That means Act people are maintaining wire from Hyderabad to US. No, not possible, am I right? So how your scope is your home the same way, ISP will scope up to your zone in your city level only. But outside not, we can't. That's what Class A people comes under. Actual Class A people are providing broadband people. From Class A people, Class B, Class B, Class B, from Class B, Class C. This is what exactly. Internet broadband people like TCS, Tata Communication, lot of people are providing, but that's what. Yeah, that is the difference. Fine. Okay, great. Okay. So, but my question is for today, one question I'm asking you. Want to, I want to, I want to create a network with 510 IPs. How can only 510? If it is class C, you make it 250 for IPs. Class B, 65,000. Either you need to sacrifice or wasting, but we can't able to get exact number. Why? Because if it is a classful network, it is a fixed network, it can't be customized. We can't able to change. That's what we're gonna be using classless network. That is it tomorrow class. Tomorrow we'll discuss about classless network. Subnet we did discuss and subnet mask. Subnet is different, subnet mask is different. Okay. 250 for one more question, sir. Can we say one subnet? Not subnet concept different than here. Okay. subnet mask. We can say subnet mask. Okay. One subnet, yes. As of right now, what you're understanding, one subnet, yeah. Please be fixed, mind your lines. One subnet 254 only, as per right now. But tomorrow, our prospect is going to be changed. That's what. After discussing about classless, little bit slightly change the answer. That's what. Yeah. As of right. But is fixed. But subnet mask is different. But class C is different subnet. Class B is a different subnet. Class C also different subnet. Based on the subnet mask, IPs will be changed. Am I right? See, if you see here, class B, what are the subnet? What are the subnet mask? It is subnet mask. Based on the subnet mask, so network head is going to be changed, host head is going to be changed, and the total IP is also going to be changed. Yeah, that is depending on that. If it is a class C subnet, 254. It is a class B subnet, yeah, like that, 62,500. Yeah, yeah. We'll much deeper discussion by tomorrow class. Yeah, we'll continue by tomorrow. I will upload this session in this. Each and every day, please be joined from student information. Good night, all of you.